Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to install Homebrew on Mac. First thing first, before installing Homebrew, you must first install the required Xcode command line tools. Open Terminal, then press CMD plus space, type Terminal and hit Enter. Run the installation command, which is Xcode, select Install. Click Install on the pop-up that appears and accept the Xcode license agreement and wait for the download and install to complete. In Terminal, pass the following command. Run this command, which is sudo -r wami user local. Then enter the installation command. You'll be prompted to enter your Mac's admin password. Just note that when typing the password in Terminal, no characters will appear. Just type and press return. Once the installation is done, you'll see a message like installation successful. Homebrew is now installed on your system. To test it, run the command brew version and it should return the version number like Homebrew 4.2.0. And you're done. You can now use Homebrew to install packages like brew install git, brew install node, or brew install Python. And that's it, guys. As simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.